Take one. All right, welcome to this lesson on how to create a square base. So here on the right, I'm holding the square base, and as you can see, it looks like a square, and I'm holding it in a diagonal format. But if you turn it to the side, you'll see that there's a layer on the left side as well as a layer on the right side. And if you open up from the bottom, you'll see something like this. Okay, so the square base is usually a start of a lot of different origami pieces, and it's important to be able to just create this very quickly because usually it's used as a setup for a lot more advanced folding. Now here, I'm going to show you how to make it. So this one already has a crease in the middle for the vertical valley fold, and what I'm going to do is fold the rest of it. So we'll start off by making the horizontal fold, like so. I'm going to open it up, and we're going to make the diagonal folds. So if we take one corner, put it to the next, give it a nice crease, open it up. Do it again for the next corner. So bring it the bottom to the top. That's the way I like to do it. It doesn't matter, so as long as you can line up the edges well, give it a nice other crease. So now you should have this triangle, and the next step you want to make is take this corner on this side and push the outer edge toward the middle. So what you're really doing is just giving it a squeeze so that it tucks in nicely, lining up the edges to the middle crease here, right? Once you do that, I want you to do it for the other side. So take this edge, give it a gentle push. The creases that you made earlier should fit in just nicely. Okay, great. And here we are. We have a square base.